To replace the cassette on any of our belt stanchion products, the first step you need to do is to get a screwdriver and loosen the bottom 4 screws on the cassette. It is important to not fully remove the screw but only loosen it. After the screws are loosened, we then recommend that you take a screwdriver to slightly lift the bottom tab of the cassette up on all 4 sides. This helps to unlock the cassette from the post as it unlocks the lock tabs at the bottom of the cassette. Now you can simply remove your cassette from the post to complete the cassette removal. Now to replace the belt, you want to take a new cassette and loosen the bottom 4 screws. This is similar to when you remove the cassette. Just like when removing the cassette, it is important to make sure that you only loosen the screws and do not fully remove them. Now that you have prepared your replacement cassette, all you need to do is insert the cassette back into the post on the stanchion and tighten the bottom 4 screws on the cassette. This locks the cassette in place and completes the cassette replacement process. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us or visit qsolutions.com for more information.